Struggling to lose belly fat? Here's why. Belly fat. It's easy to gain and one of the hardest areas to lose. But did you know there are actually two types of belly fat? There's the soft fat just under your skin, called subcutaneous fat. And then there's visceral fat, the dangerous kind that wraps around your internal organs. If you're serious about getting lean, healthy, and confident, and you're ready to finally shred fat, especially around your belly, keep watching. I've gathered expert advice from top researchers, coaches, and scientists, and I'm breaking it all down into 5 simple science-backed steps. These are easy to follow, rooted in research, and they actually work. Let's jump in. Step 1. Create a calorie deficit. You've probably heard this before, but it's worth repeating. You cannot spot-reduce belly fat with ab exercises. Crunches won't cut it. Fat loss comes down to one key thing, a calorie deficit. Dr. Lane Norton, powerlifter and PhD, explains that consistent fat loss only happens when you consume fewer calories than you burn. Yes, exercise helps, but your diet is the driver. Step 2. Eat the foods you love. With purpose. According to top nutritionist Alan Aragon, the best fat loss diets are simple and flexible. Here's how you do it. List your 20 favorite healthy foods across 6 categories. Proteins, healthy fats, vegetables, starches, dairy, fruit, tea. Then, add in your 2 favorite YOLO foods. Think wine, cookies, or ice cream. This kind of balance helps you enjoy your meals and stick to the plan long term. Also focus on protein intake. Aim for at least 0.7 grams per pound of body weight per day. Why? Protein preserves muscle. It helps control hunger, and it boosts your metabolism slightly due to its high thermic effect. It's one of the most powerful tools for shredding fat while keeping your body strong. Step 3. Lift weights to preserve muscle. Now let's talk training. Most people go straight to cardio to lose belly fat, but the real game changer? Resistance training. Dr. Eric Trexler, exercise scientist and pro bodybuilder, says that lifting weights not only builds strength, but also prevents muscle loss during dieting. That's important because when you lose muscle, your body burns fewer calories at rest. Plus, you tend to feel hungrier, so make lifting a priority. Do cardio too, but use it to boost movement, not as a punishment. Even little things like taking the stairs, parking farther away, or walking after meals can help your body burn more fat without extra stress. Step 4. Prioritize sleep for fat loss. Here's the secret weapon almost no one talks about: sleep. A recent 2022 study found that just 4 hours of sleep per night led people to eat 300 more calories and store twice as much belly fat, especially the dangerous visceral kind. Even if you're eating well and working out, lack of sleep can block your results. Another study showed that people on the same diet, but with more sleep, lost more fat and less muscle than those who slept less. If you're serious about your goals, aim for 7 to 9 hours of good sleep each night. It's not lazy, it's strategic. Step 5. Be consistent, even when it's slow. This might be the most important step in the whole video. Stay consistent, even when it feels like it's not working. Lauren Conlon, coach and scientist, explains that most people quit right before the breakthrough happens. Here's why. The belly is often the last place you lose fat. So even if the scale is dropping, even if your face, shoulders, and legs are changing, you might still hold on to belly fat a bit longer. Don't let that discourage you. Track multiple forms of progress. Body measurements, photos, energy levels, how your clothes fit. All of that matters. And remember, your belly fat didn't appear overnight. You're not going to lose it in a week. But if you're patient and consistent, you will see results. Quick recap. Shred fat game plan. Here's your blueprint to shred fat and lose belly fat for good. 1. Create a calorie deficit by eating smarter, not starving yourself. 2. Build your meals around your favorite healthy foods and a few treats. 3. Lift weights regularly to preserve muscle and boost definition. 4. Sleep 7 to 9 hours to support fat loss and recovery. 5. Be patient and consistent, even when progress feels slow. Final words. And if you're still here, it means you're serious. You're not looking for gimmicks. You want results backed by real science. So start today. Track your food. Move your body. Lift something heavy. And get some sleep. If you follow this plan, you'll burn fat. You'll protect your muscle. And you'll finally start to shred that stubborn belly fat. If this video helped you understand how to shred fat and lose stubborn belly fat, hit the like button. Drop a comment below with your biggest challenge. We'll be reading and replying. And if you're serious about getting lean, strong, and confident, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll post weekly videos packed with workouts, nutrition tips, and real science-backed strategies to help you shred fat and transform your body. We'll see you in the next video.